Yeah. Toilet scum. Get out! We don't like you. Ugh.
So yeah, toilets can get disgusting. You could clean it, and still it can build up lime, calcium, and other mineral deposits in your toilet, making it look like you're disgusting. But we're classy people, so let's try to get the scum out of our toilets. I used to clean houses. I dealt with this stuff. You know what I used to have to do? I used to have to stick my hands in toilets and use like a scraper, like a piece of metal, to scrape the calcium and lime out of the toilet. Let's see if there's a better way. And here we go.
Okay, so as you can see, I can't get this scum out of the toilet. So I'm using a gift card here. And this one's a used gift card, but as you can see, it's really stuck on there. Calcium, lime, minerals, just won't come off. You know, I cleaned this toilet for these people. Whose toilet is it? I'll never tell. Anyways, so we're getting all this water out of here with a Cool Whip container. You know, I'm spraying some WD-40 material here. You know, you read on the web, oh, WD-40, it'll dissolve anything. Yeah, I'm so sure. It doesn't do it, people. Okay, look at this. And then not only that, I had to clean the toilet out after because I don't want this stuff going into our water system. Okay, I don't know. I mean, really. It's just like, why do people post this stuff on the internet if it doesn't work? I mean, this is some tough scale right here. So, like, as you can see, that WD-40 stuff, you know, didn't really dissolve anything because I'm scraping again and it's just sticking. So what else could we do? Well, I'm spraying more to see if it'll work, and people, it doesn't. I'm using a toothbrush. It's not coming off. You know, Lime Away. I can buy Lime Away. Yes, Lime Away costs money, but so does WD-40. And guess what? Lime Away is made to take minerals off of porcelain. Gee, let's work at our jobs and buy the proper tools. Lime Away was made to help us with the toilet situation. So like I'm scrubbing with a brush, it's coming off as you can see. Yeah, so like you don't want a lot of water in your toilet when you're doing this part. And if I had taken all of the water out with a sponge, it might have even helped to get that dark scaly stuff deep down in. But I'm telling you, I think this toilet built up scum for years because that stuff way down there in the bottom, it just stayed. So I took my car into get serviced, and I accidentally left a Mountain Dew in the car that was open. And I was scared that maybe somebody tampered with it, so I had to throw it out anyway. So I'm just going to pour some Mountain Dew here in the toilet and see what that does. Hey, can't hurt, right? Well, as you can see, it's not really filled that far. So I'm actually going to pour in a little bit of a hydrogen peroxide solution here, just to, you know, up the level of the liquid there a little bit. But guess what? It doesn't do anything and it looks really gross. So yeah, sorry. That doesn't. Just go buy some Lime Away or CLR, which is calcium lime rust remover. But let's say you just don't feel like leaving the house. Vinegar and baking soda, you know, they actually do something. I did notice this. Vinegar, okay? Baking soda, it bubbles up. Here I'm putting some brown in. I mean, I put some clear vinegar in. I finished up my brown vinegar. I got some table vinegar here. You know, some red wine vinegar. And I just mixed them all together for a nice big concoction, scrubbed a little bit. And believe it or not, slowly but surely, the grime was coming off. Now, it took a lot more pressure than if I had used Lime Away or CLR. But I mean, as you can see, yeah, it is removing some of it. I did not have the patience to do this longer. If you leave it sit for hours, so be it. But, you know, there's one toilet in this residence and people were coming in and out, and I couldn't wait. So now I got some Coca Cola here that I thought, I'll just give this Coca Cola a shot. Yeah, I don't have anything like awesome to say about Coca Cola. I left it in for quite a while as well. I didn't see any results, so I mean, you can do what you want, but Coca Cola costs money. Add a little baking soda for fun, but I hope you learned a little something from this video. I mean, obviously, you know you have a couple options here. You can buy Lime Away, or you can try some vinegar and baking soda.
Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate. Please subscribe for more great DIY and life hacks and tips. I want you to click like on my video because they always say, you know, tell your people and your subscribers to click like. I mean, apparently it'll help my channel. And I want to help you, and maybe you could help me by giving me a like and subscribing. Even though I don't make money from subscribers, I want you to be my friends forever, eternally.